I'm really excited to try this. Hopefully it works. Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's video. I know it's not Christmas anymore, but you don't have to be in Christmas season to make resin trees, right? So, I've got these little tree molds here that I wanted to try out today, and I'm going to do them in two styles. One of them I wanted to try Petri dish pour. We'll see how well that goes. Hopefully it goes okay. And then for the second one, I had somewhat of an idea of what I want to do. I've got some beautiful rose gold leaf. And then I have pulled out my violet color paste. And the idea that I think I want to try is to use like a little cocktail skewer, probably the longer one, which is somewhere around here, I'm sure. Dip it in the color paste and then kind of swirl it in and see if the color spreads or see what it does, that kind of thing. So that would be the leaf with that. So you got the one and the other. Anyway, I'm over explaining something super simple. That's going to be today's video. So hopefully they turn out cute. I'm going to try and make them look cute, but, you know, here on the Resin by Meghan show, stuff doesn't always turn out how we plan. Yeah? Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and let's get it started. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. Yeah, I decided to make a couple of moons. Let's see how they turned out, yeah? So in these, I have placed some of the rose gold foil plus some Larissa glitters, and I tinted it blue with alcohol ink, and then I also added extra alcohol ink in there. You can see the lines of it. Very pretty. And you know, I gotta say, this size, I think it's this, I'm pretty sure it's this size. Maybe it's not, maybe it's the next size down. Let me see. Nope, it's this size. I have been wearing these in my hair, and I love them. I am planning to cut my hair, though, so I don't think I'll be wearing these much more in my hair. But, yeah, I think they turned out real pretty. I do have bubble in the tips, or in 3 of the 4 tips, but that's okay. You know, we make do with what we got. Anyway, that is today's bonus unmolding. Alright, friends, let's see how these did. Let's see, let's do this one first, because this is the one I'm more excited about. And I imagine it's going to roll down pretty easily. Yes. And I did squeeze the tips pretty well for both of these, so hopefully I don't have any bubbles. Okay. The gold leaf looks really nice in it, but yeah, where's my purple? That purple did nothing. Like, I can kind of see a little bit right there. But other than that, I mean, it's still super pretty, and you could totally use this as like a ring holder. That would be nice. I do need to clean these bottom edges up a little bit. They are just a tiny bit sharp. So we'll do that. But, okay. Let's go ahead and demold this one. Oh, I'm not paying attention, and I'm just knocking stuff over. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to have to sand this bottom too. There we go. Get it to roll. Now, I did help this a little bit with a stick. Okay. Oh, I also, I know you're not supposed to do this because it's too heavy, but I wanted to see if I could get the ink all the way to the top. If I used just like, I took a little stick with a little drop of the casting craft on it and just let it drop in there. I did 3. It definitely worked because it went all the way up to the tip. Oh, and it came out the tip, so that's great. Yeah. Okay. Which I knew could happen. How would I fix that? What I would probably do for that, other than clean myself up, is maybe some UV resin to the top, because clearly, even though I pressed out all of the bubbles, or thought I had, this was a big bubble. Either that or the casting craft just decided to make it like pushed the resin out of the tip, if that makes sense. Alright, but either way, looking at the rest of it, I think it looks really cool. Again, I do wish that I had like a macro lens, but you can see the beautiful striations in there. It's very pretty. The tip, however, is not. So, why don't we, while we're here, just add just a little bit to the tip. It's probably going to look a little funky because it's round. But we're going to try it anyway and see if it works. So I do like the idea of using the cast and craft to kind of push the alcohol ink further down. But it did a little bit too good of a job. Either that or one of the drops was just way too big. Because I noticed inside of it, I'm not seeing like a lot of the alcohol ink. Because I didn't just put the drops in one place. Like I did kind of like in a triangle formation. So I think one of them, it must have been far too heavy or something. Yeah, and actually, oh, it might have been two of them were too heavy. Okay. I was going to say you can see the line of white going that way. You know, I'm actually not too mad at this little makeshift top that we've made. It doesn't look great up front, up close, but it does not look bad from afar. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, you can see one of the lines right there, and then there's a second one right here. Also, I'm noticing almost all of these little pointies right here are just bubbled. Just huge bubbles all along this section. So although I took great care to get the bubble out of the tips, and I thought that I took great care to get them out of these tips, you can see that they exited these areas just fine here at the top of the mold, this part of the mold. But yeah, I'm gonna have to take much more care to make sure that I get these bubbles out of these tips that are closer to the bottom of the mold. But I gotta say, the Petri dish style really is beautiful in this. Again, I wish I had a macro lens so you guys could see, but it is just so pretty looking. But yeah, I'm sticking to my mat here. That is today's video. It was a fun experiment. I do really enjoy the way that this one turned out. Not so much this one. I mean, I like the gold in there, you know, but yeah, I was really hoping for more color. Also, the mold is I don't know if the mold is meant to be an oval or if it's just misshapen. I'll have to look online and see. Maybe it's meant to be an oval. But yeah, overall, I'm really, really happy with the way that these turned out. And we'll definitely have to try them again. So anyway, that is today's video. If you enjoyed it, please do let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here